This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. During research, results can be statistically significant but not meaningful. The situation occurs at the end of a study when the statistical figures relating to specific study topics are calculated without qualitative aspects and other details that can be used to make decisions. In this scenario, one cannot make an appropriate decision, leading to a misguided course of action. Therefore, a decision should depend not only on the statistical figures but also on the parameters involved, which may not be indicated in the results of the study. Usually, the study results are analyzed using the available statistical mechanisms. These include the use of pie charts, line graphs, and bar graphs. By looking into the results that have been tabulated, you can make conclusions by merely approximating the statistical significance. The situation is evidenced when sufficient samples are not available during the study. For instance, the per capita income of a country may be statistically significant, yet it has no meaning. In such situations, income distribution, living standards, and inflation within a given country will not be indicated. Under such conditions, the results of a study can be statistically significant despite the lack of means for those making the decisions. If such results are presented to organizations or government ministries, they will not make much impact during the decision-making process. Example: health statistics. In health statistics, the significance of the results of a particular research is its quality and the medical significance attached to its results. In the field of medicine, studies and research are carried out on a chosen sample of the population to represent the entire population. The problem arises when a study is carried out on certain people as the medication is targeted at another population. The above leads to inappropriate decision-making because the other population may not be equivalent to the sampled portion of the population. Another factor of concern is the size of the population to be sampled during the study, as it dramatically influences the credibility of the results. The preconceived notion, to a greater extent, the outcome of a study, and all these affect the statistical significance of results for a particular research. The statistical significance mainly deals with the computation of the probability of the results of a given study being due to chance. The statistical significance is usually expressed as a probability. The letter P is used to denote probability and conventionally is taken at 5%, up 0.05. The results imply that there exists a 5% tendency of occurrence of results by chance. Usually, any study's results are considered statistically significant if there is a small probability of compatibility between it and the null hypothesis. The reasoning here is that carrying out a medical study on a sample of a given geographical location and applying the same results to another population can be misleading because the effect could be due to chance. It only becomes significant if the results are repeatable. Clinical significance states that a small improvement in the new medication should not be sufficient to change the medication to the new method. Clinical significance requires a thorough analysis of the benefits, cost, disadvantages, technology, and patient preference for the new medication. The above is important before adopting the new medication. Conclusion. In critical areas of life, statistical significance only should not be used to make decisions concerning the topic of study. As such, the results can be statistically important but do not portray the quality and clear details of the results of a particular study. This essay on statistically significant but not meaningful was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.